How to change date of birth on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. And from there, click on settings. And here, from the account section, click on personal information. Then click on the edit option next to name. And here, the second section, you see it says other names at the bottom. Click on the blue text that says add a nickname, etc. And once you are on this page right here, from these three options at the bottom, click on cancel. You will be redirected to this page right here, from which you want to scroll down to the basic info section and click on edit next to birthday. And here you will be able to change your birthday starting from the month to the day to the year. And once you are okay with the changes, click on the blue button to save. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change and edit your birthday on the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.